Hello my friends, let's fry fish sausage with cheese and egg. Cut the sausage in the middle and fry. Put the egg with little salt and pepper. Put the cut green bell pepper and cheese on top. Let's fry till brown. Let's also fry the other side and put cheese on top. So hanguin natin and it's ready to eat. You can cut in the middle, put ketchup or mayonnaise. Happy cooking everyone and thank you for watching.